What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to get American Express virtual card. Now first thing you should do is to simply open your Play Store or App Store on your mobile phone. Then after that you will have to go to the search bar and search for MX. And after that you will find this option right here, MX. According to your region you will find a little bit different name. But here in my case, because I'm in the Middle East North America region, I will choose Amex MENA. Then after that, you will have to download it. And once you download it, you can simply go and open the application on your phone. Then here, as you can see, you will find this option right here, apply for a card. You should simply click on it. And after that, you'll have to choose your country. They will ask you to enter some of your information. So let me choose any country. They will show you here some information. You can simply check this box right here in order to agree on all these information. Then click on let's start, and after that you can simply click on I understand and acknowledge the data privacy notice. Then click on next, and now it will show you the different options of American Express virtual cards. You can choose whatever one that you want, and down below right here you will find more details about the card. You can simply choose whatever card you want, then click on select and proceed, and after that you will have to enter your contact details. You will have to enter your phone number, email ID, referral code. Then you will have to check this box, then click on next, and after that they'll ask you for some more extra information. And don't worry guys, all these steps are very simple and easy and straightforward. You can complete it by your own, and after that they will give you your American Express virtual card. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.